Hello.
Welcome to SBI Customer Care. This is Yasmin. How may I help you?
Actually, ma'am, I have lost my credit card. Can you block it, please?
Okay. Do you want me to block your credit card?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. May I know your first and last name?
Of course, ma'am. My first name is Sana and last name is Parveen.
Alright. We are here to help you to proceed ahead with your request. May I fetch some information from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Could you tell us your 16-digit credit card number?
Yes, ma'am. 945475983935670998.
Could you confirm your date of birth, please?
Yes, ma'am. 27/9/2003.
May I place your call on hold for 2 minutes while I check the details?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, thanks for your patience. As per your request, I have blocked your credit card temporarily and I will issue a new credit card to you after 7 days. Is there anything else may I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I want to open bank account for my brother.
Alright, may I know his age?
Yes, ma'am. He is 20-year-old.
Okay. Does he have Aadhaar card and PAN card?
Yes, ma'am. He has Aadhaar card, but PAN card is under the process.
Okay. We also need address proof and photographs.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please tell me the complete list of documents?
Alright. You need Aadhaar card, PAN card, 2 passport size photo and initial deposit.
All right. What is the minimum balance required?
It's 500.
Okay, ma'am. Can we do it online or do we need to visit the branch?
You have to visit the branch.
Okay, ma'am. What is the timing of your branch?
It's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Is there anything else may I help you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thanks for calling SBI. Have a nice day.